So hello mga ka-BJ, for today's vlog, we're making halo-halo and these are all the ingredients. We have the ube, we have the kaong, makapuno, nata de coco, of course, the milk, hindi pwede mawala ang milk. Lalagyan namin ng pistachio ice cream, tapos merong saging, and then what's this one? Saba? This one is what? Kamote pala, kamote. This is kamote. That's all the ingredients. And of course, the ice. We need the ice. Yan ang aming ingredients for today's video. Halo, halo. Again and again and again and again and again. Yan. Yan. So, ito ang gagamitin namin ang shape ng ice. Ang ano nila, snow cone pa yan. Snow cones. Diba? Nostalgia. Nostalgia pa nga. So, na-turn them because they're on decorate only. Dami ko pa rin yung ice cream. Ay, yung ice cream. Yung ice shave. Nilalagyan yung ice shave. Ayan. Tapos, paano yan? Iikot na lang siyang gano'n?
Hindi ko nga alam. Limutan ko na nga pag-isip.
Hey, kumain na siya.
Sandali. Hindi ko nga alam. Oo,
How is it gonna turn? Do you turn it? Do you turn it on or what? We're having a difficulty with this machine at the moment.
Ay, naku, ala.
No, I think you put it inside.
Hindi. First time ko kasi sa printing. Ay, second time ko nang ginamit lang.
Okay, we can use it. It's supposed to turn. Maybe you need to turn it on somewhere. Diba? Kasi naman nakakalat na ganyan. Oh, yes. Oh, see?
Ito yung ice natin bago. Ano kaya? Ay, loko dito kasi. Ubus na yung ice mo. Ay, datay.
Baka naman di kasya yung yelo. Ayan, basta.
Ay, mas pag-ito.
Ayan. Baka hindi kasya yung yelo. Kasya yung may yelo. Ayan, ayan, tabi. Tapos you turn it. Ayan. Halo-halo yun. Halo-halo yun.
Ang sayad yung ano. Pasitos.
Okay na yan. Halo-halo yan. Halo-halo yan.
Kaya lang ganyan-ganyan. Ayun. Kung matutunan na yung ice mo.
Ay, ilagay mo ng isa agad.
Hindi nga kasya. Teka muna.
Kailangan yung yelo maliit lang. Hindi ka kasya yung malaki. Yung maliliit lang. Ayan. Ayan. Overflowing na naman yung bowl. Oh, yeah. Ganyan.
Ano natin.
Ayan.
Wala na.
Oh, i-dress mo muna tong isa. I-dress mo muna. Dress it up, and then now I can take a picture of it. You need to dress this up na.
Hindi lang yan ice.
Kulang ba yung ice?
Kulang na yung yelo na.
Yeah, the-dress up natin.
Malinis ang kamay ko.
Eh, malinis din kamay
Dress up na
ko.
yung bag natin.
Kumailan ang panin.
Yan, sige.
Oh, what's first?
First,
Yan natin.
is the red one.
The kaong. You need to put the kaong, spread it.
Let me know if you
You're not gonna spread it everywhere?
No,
It's
just
better you
one
spread
side. and then
it.
others.
No!
Di ba
Okay,
pare-pareho
fine.
yun?
One side ka lang.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Ito naman. Relax.
Yeah.
Di ba magandang tangkina?
Kamote. That's what you call kamote. Can you move this one first,
Kamote.
ate? I want one. One lang.
Kamote.
Yan.
And then another.
Dapat you have to turn it like this when you're
yeah,
dressing it up.
Nata
Like
de,
that.
nata de
Ganyan.
coco.
Diba?
Nata de coco.
Diba?
And then saging.
Then you dress it, you turn it like this.
Forgot the green. That's why we should have green.
And then another puti. Yeah, that's good. And then the makapuno.
Don't forget the pistachio, ha?
Yes.
Do you have pistachios?
Don't forget the pistachio. See, ganda, oh.
There is. That's
How
it.
to make halo-halo. Ha! How to make halo-halo
Gata.
pa nga. That's the last part, ate. How to make halo-halo.
Ayan din ang gusto ng mga anak ko.
How
Pistachios
to
and
make
ano.
halo-halo.
Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Ano kutsara na lang?
Hindi, kailangan presentable. This is a vlog. You have to vlog it. People are gonna watch this, you know?
I know.
It has to look professional.
Wow, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Wow.
Tama na yung isa. Dalawa.
Dalawa sa vlog to, eh. Kaya ate NCS ako.
Hindi, maganda kasi isa.
No, dalawa is good.
Tatakpan yung ano.
No, it's not. I can see it right there.
And then you put the milk. Yum, yum.
Yummy halo-halo.
Yum, yum.
Now, that's how you make halo-halo.
Ate, ikaw nang magigit na sa
And now you mix,
Take
mix.
your own.
Halo-halo.
Maliit lang sana sa akin.
Wala tayong bowl na.
We have a mini halo-halo.
Nilagay mo sa bowl niya, wasak na yan. Puno na yan.
Then you gotta mix it later. Diba? Yan ang halo-halo.
Yan, ano na yan.
Halo-halo.
May space ka po.
Halo-halo. Ate, sa'yo to, no?
No, no, that...
This is what I like from my halo-halo. Simple lang ako. Ayoko ng mga ano eh. Hindi ako mahilig sa mga kamote at saka yung saging.
Alam mo yung
Simple lang
Edmonds?
ako.
Edmonds.